Hey beloved soul friends, take a moment to congratulate yourself for achieving the impossible. Look at you. You're a consciousness breathing invisible particles from the atmosphere through a miraculous brain-body system. You're absorbing light waves from the atmosphere and sound waves from the atmosphere. Your body is gathering invisible energies and miraculously translating them through complex neurobiological processes flowing through muscles and bones and nerves and tissues and hundreds of trillions of neural connections to project a personal experience onto your miraculous consciousness. Right here, right now, breathing, being, existing, thinking, feeling is a miracle. You are achieving the absolute impossible right here, right now, by being you. Take a moment to congratulate yourself for being incredible. Take a moment to congratulate yourself for being awesome. Take a moment to congratulate yourself for achieving the impossible. Because right here, right now, existing exactly as you are is a miraculous impossibility. Take a moment to congratulate yourself for achieving the impossible. Dare to love yourself. Dare to love every part of your miraculously impossible self.